Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide the number of likes in your post in Facebook. So, in order to do this, first simply click on these three lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then you need to click on the settings gear icon. Then once you're inside the settings and privacy option, you need to scroll down until you can see this reaction preferences. Click on the reaction preferences and it will give you two options. The first option is on posts from others and the second option is on your posts. So if you don't want to see the likes in on others posts, you need to enable this option. And if you also don't want to view the number of likes on your posts, click on this option right here. And here you can see that the number of reactions from your post and from other posts has been hidden. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.